Hey man, it's freaking launch day, bro. If you guys can see the time, it's 2:53, June 12th. It's officially 7 minutes until I launch the Easy Meanings collection. Just up so y'all can see my face. I literally just got out the shower. I have about 7 minutes to create this little banner thing for the Instagram, and then for TikTok, or for Twitter to be specific, I have, like, I'm just gonna post like some of the best photos for the collection. It's gonna be like out now. I have a few of my bros that have been making purchases right now. The quantity is small. I'm hoping that we can sell out today. Or really, my goal is to be sold out by Friday. I'm just gonna go heavy with the promoting and everything. And yeah, I'm just kind of like letting y'all know what's going on in my mind. 5 minutes. Like I'm panicking. I'm most definitely nervous. But you know, like I know once I launch the website and once it's up, I know most of those nerves should go away. It's usually how I am. Everything that you guys have witnessed and watched has led to this point. Like, y'all seen the growth in myself as an individual throughout this whole process. Like, I felt like I really didn't turn up. Had a lot of growth. The start of a whole new chapter. You know, this is not a one-day thing. This is not a one collection thing. This is gonna be like a lifelong project for me. And if any of you guys can take anything from this, it's just like, bro, just go for it. At the end of the day, bro, go for it. You never know how things will turn out for you until you take that leap. You know, I wouldn't have imagined things to come out half as good as how they've been coming out, but like, look at it. This is how we're living. So 5 minutes, I'm gonna focus on this and get back to you. 2 minutes. This is what I'm going for. So it's Easy Meanings collection. It's gonna be like out now type stuff. I'm gonna post that on, I think, like all of the social media platforms. We're 2 minutes away from this thing. I hope that you guys have been motivated by this. I know this is gonna come out long after, you know, the actual drop. But I mean, just want you guys to know, like, this time I've been away from the YouTube, you know what I'm saying? I love this stuff. I've been working, non-stop working, trying to put myself in a position to where, you know, I can actually take care of myself and live kind of like my dream. And my dream is just to create. So if you're anything like me, you love to create and you want to be able to do it for a living, just take some motivation from this, that anything is possible. You know what I'm saying? Anything is possible. I don't care who tells you that things aren't possible. Anything is possible, and hard work does not go unnoticed. All right, let's drop. Password is about to be dropped right now, literally. Bro, I'm shaking, bro. Hey, so I'm disabling the password right now. All right. Website is live. It is live. There's a lot of things I gotta do. Website is officially live. I'm gonna make a few posts. I'm gonna prop up the camera.
Tori on the beat.
It's up.
Can't see. Hey, I got 1 order so far. 60 total sessions.
That was me.
Oh, that was you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Alright, y'all. I will get back to y'all. Later updates in the day. Let you know how the first drop day goes. Been officially the first hour since the business has launched. Landed a few sales. Some of the people basically I knew. Some of the people I didn't. I'm happy about that. And I just kind of want to talk, you know. It's like ever since, you know, I hit the button, first 30 minutes or so, the nerves were all in me. Now the nerves have kind of subsided. Right now, it's game time now. Like, the goal is to sell out. I really want to sell out by Friday. I'm going to be spamming TikTok. I've sent out emails. I have posts for Twitter and, you know, Instagram. I plan on getting into Pinterest, influencer marketing and stuff like that. And, you know, there's different type of ad strategies to see what will work the best. For one, I'm excited. Two, I'm very curious to see where this is gonna take me, you know what I mean? I'm gonna continue going hard. I just gonna keep telling myself, take it one day at a time, be patient. Now I'm waiting on one of my bros gonna come over, basically cop 2 of the pieces. It's nerve-wracking, you know what I'm saying? Because it's like with business, bro, it's like do or die. You either land sales or you don't. You don't land sales, you in trouble. You know what I'm saying? But it's like, you know, I'm going to find a way to sell out, try out a whole bunch of different strategies, you know. The good thing now is that the website is up, so if I have any posts like on TikTok or whatnot that ends up getting a little bit of traction, it could lead to sales. I have a whole lot of like ideas and posts that I'm going to be doing today. I'll probably post like 10 TikTok videos. Just today alone, I've posted 3 already. I posted on Instagram. Now that things are kind of like in motion, I'm trying to take a deep breath. I need to focus on editing this video. Hopefully by the time y'all see this video, it's already sold out, you know. And yeah, I just can't wait to, you know, package these orders, start shipping them out, and, you know, make it do what it do. All right, you guys, so just a quick little update. I'm gonna give you guys like my little state of mind. It is Sunday, June 13th, 4:39. Officially 24 hours since I launched. Between the pre-orders and the orders, I basically sold 15-20% of the inventory. And you know, the nerves, like yesterday I kind of just chilled out. Like it took me some hours to kind of calm down and stuff like that. Since then, I've added some more ads, testing out some new things with Instagram, trying to figure out some influencers that I want to like have, like, you know, do like a story post or something for some of my pieces. I'm trying to figure out some TikToks to post. My goal is to hopefully sell out the shirts by next Friday. Huge shout out to the people supporting. I'm doing a lot of drop offs. A lot of people in my area is rocking with it. You know, I have a few orders for people outside. I'm going to process and ship out the orders that we got online come tomorrow. I'll probably do it like tonight and then ship it out first thing tomorrow morning. And what I can say that I just realized is that the past 2 months I've been grinding really hard, you know. Finally launching, it's like the biggest relief in the world, don't get me wrong, but now I also feel like, okay, now we're in the real world, you know. You have a product that's good, you know what I'm saying, you have it at the price that you feel like is right, and now you have to sell. And I'm learning you can't have any like emotional attachments to the products. Like, yes, I know the time, effort, energy that went into it, but like whenever it comes to like business, bro, if you have too much emotions in it, it kind of clouds your vision. You gotta like think about your plan and execute on that plan. Like for me, I know my pieces very high quality, very unique designs, and you know, I'm setting up the standard from the jump. It's not gonna be like a thing like, okay, I'm start here, you know, start low, then go up and stuff like that. It's like, nah, like the standard that I have now is a standard that's gonna be here and then only get better as time goes on. Now is like the marketing work, you know, figuring out things, both free and paid type of advertisements to just funnel in more traffic to the site, you know what I'm saying? So like I feel like it's me starting over with YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Like that's basically what it feels like in the beginning. I'm just like, shoot, you know, I'm gonna do everything that I can to, you know, pub this and, you know, try to grow it. But like in the beginning, you don't really have that set audience, people working with you, you know what I mean? And you know, I've had this page, Instagram page up for like, I guess like almost 3 weeks now. And I'm just like, okay, well, let's see where we're gonna be by the end of the month. So I kind of just took the day to just relax, clear my head. Like, I haven't even been home. Like I literally left, been with my girl, away from my house, just clearing up my mind. And it's like I'm starting to view like so many things differently, especially when it comes to business or just looking at businesses. And whenever I'm shopping around and stuff like that, it's just like, this is a real life grind, you know. But it's just like saying, it's just like you don't start off with 1,000 orders, you know. You don't start off with 1,000 people on your email list. You don't start off with 1,000 followers or even 1,000 people who are ready to buy your product. But then you can see a lot of other people who have that, but everyone started off with 0, you know what I'm saying? Everybody had to build up their audience, build up their following. And now you're able to view them in a light to where some of these brands can drop anything. They already have people who are ready to sell it out each and every single drop because they mess with the brand so much, because they've been building up, got to this level. Really just a good day or so to just, you know, detach myself from the business and stuff, and then we back to the grind. I gotta get out these YouTube videos, keep pushing on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. This summer is completely different because instead of like, you know, out here looking for a job or doing an internship, I have my own businesses, you know. I want to have my own clothing brand. I want to have successful YouTube channels. I want my investments to be up, you know what I mean? Put a lot of money into my investments, and then, transition into, ownership. So that's kind of like my plan. I'm just happy that at least I'm starting my first legit real business before I even exit college. I have a year to kind of learn the ropes, learn what works for me, learn what doesn't, and then just keep it pushing like that. So again, to any one of you guys who support it, much love to you guys. Check out the website. Go ahead, check it out. Hopefully by the time this video goes up, there are still some pieces out and you guys can go ahead and cop. And I'm just gonna keep working, bro. You can't expect success overnight. You gotta grind. I just hope that I was able to inspire and motivate some of you guys. But anyways, it's your boy Chris Alia, aka CEasy, and I'm out.